Wenzhou Haihang Machinery Company Limited is located in Wenzhou, China. Established in 2009, we are a manufacturer specialized in research, development and production of automatic packing machine for disposable products, like plastic or paper cup and straws, plastic or wooden spoon, fork and knife, specialized for airline, hotel, restaurant and fast food. Besides, we have attained ISO 9001, CE certifications and some patent certifications. We highly regard the basic management and stable quality, continuously improving pre-sale services, sales and after-sale services. We warmly welcome customers from both at home and abroad.